for those of you who aren't familiar with my story real well, my personal story, so I was born with a birth defect called spina bifida, and I've spent my entire life in a wheelchair. Okay. Now, I also told you a little while ago in this episode that I have been in church my entire life, right? So for me to hear things like this that are taught from the Word of Faith teaching that, uh, like what they say here, he will be able to rule over poverty, disease, and sickness. He will be sick only if he confesses he is sick. Well, as a kid, I can't tell you what this does to you, right? This just really it makes you question all kinds of things. It makes you question, am I really even saved? It makes you question, do I have some gross sin that God is not forgiving me for? Uh, do I not have enough faith? All of these questions that come at you when you hear stuff like this. When you hear stuff like all they need to do is tell Satan to take his hands off their money or off their body or whatever the case may be, it really messes with you. And even if you're an adult, it's going to mess with you. Like it says here at the end of this, it says this will help to avoid the extremes, which eventually frustrate rather than help believers in their walk with God. I will say absolutely 100%. This teaching frustrated me more than it helped me in my walk with God. I would do the whole by his stripes I am healed thing till I was blue in the face, right? Because that's what these teachers say to do. Claim your healing and just continue to stand on it and all of this. Well, there comes a point where you're like, this isn't working. This just isn't working.
Yeah.
And I saw not only in my own life with my health and things like that, but man, people around me who you could tell they're broken and they're wanting God to do something and they're trying to be people of faith, you know, but it just doesn't work.
Then what happens is it leads to a lot of self-condemnation, which says the reason why it's not working is because so you don't have enough faith or you've got sin in your life or something else like that. And it puts the burden on you. And then you begin, and like I told you way back, and you have the same testimony that I what you just said. You said the same thing virtually. We've said the same thing. You get to a point where you say, this just isn't working, and there's something wrong. And you can't tell me I didn't believe because it's just like I mean I was believing for every way I knew how, and yet none of the stuff was working for me.